Welcome to this brief guide on how to use voice typing in Windows 11. For some of us, being able to type using a keyboard may not always be a possibility, whether it be through a temporary or a permanent impairment. But today I'm going to show you how to use the voice typing feature in Windows 11 to help negate that. Here you can see I have Notepad currently open, and using the keyboard shortcut Windows plus H, I can activate the voice typing launcher for the first time. Selecting the settings cog on the voice typing launcher will allow me to see my options. The first of which is the option here to have quick access to the voice typing launcher whenever you were clicking into a text box. This is great should you not be able to use a keyboard full time. I'm going to disable that for this demonstration. The second option is the ability to have automatic punctuation. I highly recommend turning this feature on so that Windows will automatically add punctuation to your sentences. The next option underneath there is the ability to select your default microphone should you have more than one microphone attached to your system. As you can see, I have two. You also have the ability at the bottom to be able to quickly click on the Manage Microphone Settings option, which would take you to your settings application in order to manage those settings further. Now that I've got those settings correct, I'm just going to slide this up here so you can see how it works, and I can use the keyboard shortcut or click the button. And once you've enabled voice typing, you can start speaking your thoughts and they will appear as text on your screen. Windows 11 will automatically add punctuation to my text as I have that option selected. And using the same keyboard shortcut, you can disable voice typing at any time. Now, this is not just limited to applications. You can utilize this voice typing feature pretty much anywhere in the system. So here, I can use that same keyboard shortcut, and then I can say, "Why, hello there." And as you can see, I've been able to use voice typing even inside my Start menu in order to perform a search. And that is how you use voice typing in Windows 11. I hope you found this tip extremely useful and it makes your Windows 11 experience just that little bit more accessible, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to check out the channel, and if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.